If you're seeing the Epic Games multiple crashes detected error, don't worry. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the quickest fixes step by step so you can get back into your game as fast as possible. This issue can happen when a game file is corrupted, the launcher is having a temporary glitch, or your PC just needs a fresh restart before the game will launch normally again. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech fixes like this. Alright, let's jump right in. The first thing you should do is restart your PC. This sounds simple, but it solves a lot of crash-related problems because it clears temporary bugs, closes background processes, and gives Epic Games a clean start. Save anything important, close your apps, then restart your computer fully instead of just signing out or putting it to sleep. Once your PC turns back on, try opening Epic Games again and see if the error is gone. If the crashes are still happening, the next step is to verify your game files in the Epic Games library. Open the Epic Games launcher and go to your library. Find the game that is crashing, then click the three dots or the settings menu next to it. From there, choose Verify. Epic Games will now scan your installation and check whether any files are missing or damaged. If it finds a problem, it will automatically repair the game files for you. This is one of the most effective fixes because even a single broken file can trigger repeated crashes. While that verification process is running, it's a good idea to be patient and let it finish completely. Depending on the size of the game, it may take a few minutes. Once it's done, launch the game again and test it. In many cases, this alone clears the multiple crashes detected message and gets everything working normally. If you still get the same error after verifying the files, the next fix is to reinstall the game or even reinstall the Epic Games launcher itself. Sometimes the issue is deeper than a simple file check, especially if the launcher installation is damaged or the game was interrupted during an update. To do this, uninstall the problem game first and then download it again from your library. If that doesn't work, uninstall Epic Games Launcher, restart your PC, and then install the latest version from the official Epic Games website. A clean reinstall can remove corrupted data that verification might not fully fix. Another important step is to check for Windows updates. Outdated system files can cause compatibility problems with games and launchers, especially after new updates or patches. To do this, open Windows Settings, go to Windows Update and check for updates. If anything is available, install it and restart your computer when prompted. After the update is complete, open Epic Games again and try launching your game one more time. It's also worth making sure no other software is interfering with Epic Games in the background. Things like overlays, antivirus scans, or other game launchers can sometimes trigger crash detection problems. If you use any overlays, temporarily disable them and test again. You can also make sure Epic Games Launcher is running as an administrator by right-clicking it and selecting Run as Administrator. That extra permission can help when the launcher needs access to game files or system folders. So to quickly recap, start by restarting your PC, then verify the game files in your Epic Games library, reinstall the game or launcher if needed, and check for Windows updates to make sure your system is fully up to date. Those are the main fixes that usually solve the Epic Games multiple crashes detected error. If this video helped you, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more simple step-by-step tutorials. And if you want, I can also help you with more Epic Games fixes, launcher errors, or game crash troubleshooting in the next video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.